Welcome back to the channel, guys. I know I haven't uploaded it in a while, but we're finally back and I've got a new car. Well, new second-hand car, £1,000 BMW E46, and we're gonna be doing some crazy things to it. But before we can get into that, there's some things we need to do for preventative maintenance and increased reliability, and which is, well, one of the things is an EGR delete. So we're gonna remove the EGR. It's not too difficult. We remove the original EGR and fit this pipe instead, and get it mapped out. So yeah, there's the swirl flaps as well, which I have already done. I was thinking of putting this whole build into one episode, but I thought it would be more interesting as individual parts, and then maybe one big episode of all of it together in the end. So I'm gonna put this EGR delete kit, whatever you want to call it, in this one, and then next video, and so on and so on. There is a few issues with it too, but you will find out about all of these things as we go along. But this video will fit the EGR delete, and then next one I'm gonna fit the downpipe and get it tuned. So we have the EGR off. This is it. It's yeah, this is something that we don't need. Basically what this does is it takes the exhaust gases that have already been burnt off and makes them go through the intake again. So it's basically using it's recycling exhaust gases because it thinks it can still use them again. And we're going to remove this because this is no good for the engine. It's basically like eating your own shit. So now we're replacing that EGR with this pipe. So this is to block off the vacuum line right here. We screw one of these self-tappers into the yellow bit so there's no vacuum leak. So now that's done, we just block this off. Just get one or two in hand tightened, and then you can go at it with a power tool if you have one. I do recommend going slow on this because if you drop these down, they're going to be a pain to get back out. So hand tighten first, obviously, as with anything. That's all for the EGR itself. So that's everything done now, guys. We have no more pipe here that goes to the EGR, and obviously, you know, there's the EGR delete fitted. I've zip tied the vacuum line to the EGR so it's not like hanging around and hitting stuff in the engine bay. And yeah, only difference now on the outside will be that there's no more screw for the engine cover, so there's only 4 left, which is still plenty to hold it down, but it just doesn't look as neat. Last piece of the puzzle is to fit this, which is now done. The 1 and 2. That's everything done from the physical point of view. I am going to get this remapped tomorrow after I fit the downpipe, which hopefully isn't too bad, but I will make a video about it so you guys know how to do it too. And yeah, we'll hopefully have it done and ready by tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this video so far, and hope you learned something new. And drop a like, comment, subscribe, whatever, and I'll see you in the next one.